smart logistics. IoT is Internet of Things. How Internet of Things can support a logistic business and which become more smarter and smarter. Let me start with the agenda first. Agenda followed by introduction and research context. This study aims to present smart solutions to all logistics issues in an organization. Innovation in logistics is an indicator of modernity. The Internet of Things, IoT, which enables items to connect to other platforms, is one of the most significant developing technologies. In addition, the factors influencing the implementation of IoT on smart logistics should be studied to solve current issues faced in the logistics industry. The IoT is a global network of smart devices that integrate the digital world, enhancing a logistics organization's productivity and efficiency. The Internet of Things is a logistic industry revolution enabling operations, transportation, storage, and all other necessary information at each logistics activity. The study framework was developed using a deductive method and a review of 50 articles published between 2018 and 2023 that were thoroughly reviewed and summarized. The findings, techniques, challenges, and solutions were correctly identified, as were the research gap and future research goals. In the context of this current study, 5 independent factors pertaining to the impact of IoT on smart logistics were found. The study framework describes the direct relationship between the 5 independent variables and the dependent variables. In the current technology powered era, no one can deny the capabilities of IoT in creating a connected world. IoT has enabled non living assets to connect and share information over a wide network spread across miles. By scrutinizing the process involved within a logistic industry, the impact of IoT can be easily observed. As part of the literature review, the most recent academic papers, journals, and business reports on the use of the IoT in smart logistics are analyzed. The adoption of IoT in logistics results in a quick and fruitful result. IoT enabled non-living assets to connect and share information over a wide network spread across miles. By scrutinizing the process involved within the logistic industry, the impact of IoT can be easily observed. IoT has allowed logistic companies to automate warehouse operations, enhance freight transportation, and ensure timely final delivery of products. Corporate procedures could be automated to eliminate human labor, improve quality and productivity, and reduce operating cost. Additionally, the Internet of Things provides monitoring and controls the process, enabling the optimization of collaborative efforts between people and technological entities connected to a computer network. To find even more potential for expanding and using best practices, analysis can be applied across the full value chain. This study is conducted to evaluating 4 independent variables. Those are smart warehousing, data integrity, inventory management, cost optimization. The following research objectives are obtained to address these research problems and evaluate various aspects of smart logistics acceptance in supply chain management. To establish smart logistics with the support of IoT to enhance the performance of supply chain partners, consisting of customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders. Exploring the sustainability of the supply chain is the effort made by business to consider the effects. The, this includes the procurement of raw materials, production, storage, delivery, and all transportation hubs in between. To examine how productively IoT can be applied among customers when it comes to clearance and delivery, and to identify how fast the process can be done. Research methodology. The main focus of the research methodology identifies the research approach which emphasizes the key variables. The methodology adopted in this research is based on secondary data. The data have been collected from relevant research articles and the articles referred to between 2018 to 2023. Secondary sources also used for data collection. All IoT Agenda Network contributors are responsible for the content and accuracy of their posts. Opinions are of the writers and do not necessarily convey the thoughts of IoT Agenda. In the time to come, IoT can be expected to witness tremendous growth in transportation and logistics vehicles. Fleet managers and operators will have more access to remote information at their fingertips and will use this information to reduce cost, mitigate human errors, boost supply chain productivity, and automate end-to-end logistics processes. There have been multiple limitations to this study. In fact, the research did not cover all aspects of IoT. Additional research is required to expand the study to include further variables. The study provides insights into IoT in smart logistics. Logistics companies can utilize the advantages. It is important to conduct a comparison between local and global companies. Fleet managers and operators will have more access to remote information at their fingertips and will use this information to reduce costs, mitigate human errors, boost supply chain productivity, and automate end-to-end logistic process. Numerous research studies have looked at real-time temperature monitoring systems for perishable commodities such as fresh food, frozen food, and medications. Studies that examine IoT engaged technology from the perspective of identifying leakage and theft in refrigerator containers are few and far between. Consequently, a perishable commodities logistics management system based in the Internet of Things is suggested in this research article. 4 clusters were used to categorize the application for this job. In terms of smart logistics, IoT based technology is still the subject of numerous research investigations. IoT applications are actually very popular. Our study's objectives were to outline IoT applications for smart logistics and provide specific examples for each use, which is why many companies are creating them. Smart logistics applications of IoT have a variety of limitations and space for improvement in data collecting and data security in particular. All the 4 independent variables contribute significant impact on IoT applications in smart logistics, which enhance the credibility and accuracy of logistics function. This research gives a successful contribution in all the areas of logistics activities. Hope the topic is interesting and you all are having a clear idea about implementing IoT on smart logistics. Thanks a lot for your valuable time. Thank you so much.